My friends, day 14, 30 days of yoga, classic power yoga. Today's random question, let us know below. Say you walk into a bookstore, which section do you go to first? Right away, which book section? Let us know. All right, modify as needed, always use control, and keep inviting friends to join us on this beautiful 30-day health and fitness odyssey. Shirt is tucked in. Downward facing dog, classic power yoga, working athleticism in the body, full body workout. Don't be afraid to modify when you need to. Let's walk the legs in down dog, stretch out the back. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. We want to be smooth, we want to be precise. And of course, we want to enjoy ourselves. Don't want to spend all this time on the mat, all this energy if we're just miserable. Get something out of it. Always getting something out of it. Things you don't expect. Those are the fun revelations. Things that pop up that you never thought would happen while you're doing these flows. 10 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale forward, plank position, elbows in. Get a nice healthy dose of Coach Vigue power yoga. Wink, forward, down. Elbows hugging the sides, chaturanga, smooth patterns of movement. Inhale, cobra. Hands under the shoulders again, elbows in. Lifting, lifting to your heart's content. Open up the chest, let the heart pump that blood. Exhale, roll down, massaging the spine, long bodies. Press up and back, down dog. Let's put that vinyasa power flow together in a nice healthy rhythm. Inhale forward. Keep going. Exhale down. Inhale cobra, or keep pressing up into upward facing dog. I'm sorry the pond isn't cleaner today. I need to clean it. Lower down. Back to down dog. With power yoga, we keep on flowing. Inhale, right leg comes up, bend the knee. Might be a little shock to the glutes right here, lifting up. Exhale, right foot forward, lunge. Fingers can stay down, or we rise up, shoulders back and down, let the arms fall to the sides. Stretch that back leg as you sink this leg down. Good, remain, shoulders remain down. Take the arms up. Reach forward, hands down, step back, down dog. Left leg lifts up. Little experimentation with the leg. It comes up, it comes up, it comes up. And then we come forward, lunge, stagger the feet. Balance. I always wobble a bit, but it forces me to regain my composure in real time, to adapt in real time. Arms up. Reach. All right, hands down. Vinyasa flow, stepping back to plank, gliding forward, glide, and down, cobra or up dog. Penetrating into the muscles, lower, and then press up and back, downward facing dog. Lunge again. Inhale up, let's find some rhythm. Please exit the mat. You massive red ant right there. He's walking off, there we go. And then reach forward, hands down, down dog. Inhale, left leg. Learn to move with that rhythm, with a little bit of speed, without sacrificing the control and the precision. Reach and step back, plank, vinyasa. Whenever you hear that beautiful word, vinyasa or vinyasa flow, you know it's happening. If you ever want to skip the flow, go right back to down dog. There it is. We got downward facing dog. I'm going to sway the hips side to side, opening the sides, smushing the heels down. Later in this 30-day challenge, there will be a longer power yoga flow. So we'll just have to wait with breathless anticipation. All right, inhale, right leg, up, 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 right foot forward, lunge. Let's twist it. So we're tall, left hand to the ground, inhale, right arm reaches up. Drawing this arm back. Hands down, down dog, left leg, shoot it up. Forward, hand down, reach. There's a leaf blower over there. Wouldn't be Florida without leaf blowers when I'm filming. And vinyasa. Shoulders down, beautiful. Lower. This extra lowering really builds muscle, it builds stamina, makes you really pull in tight and control the movement. Inhale, right leg, right foot forward. Let's do a prayer twist. Hands together, whoa. Twist to the right, draw the shoulder back. Stretch the back leg. Hands down, we have down dog, left leg, forward. Look at that. There is in fact a comb in my pocket, and twist. That's pretty much the extent of my cosmetics when I film. Natural light is all we need. All right, vinyasa flow. Smooth it out. Better, smooth it. More. Lower. Down dog. All right, right leg up, right foot forward. Again, prayer twist. Twisting, open the arms. Down dog, left leg. And again, twist to the left. Hands down. Let's bend the knees this time. One of my favorites, a crouching down dog, a down dog squat. Back, then explode forward, vinyasa. Let's take it right back to down dog. Tuck the toes, press back. Walk or jump forward, chair. Chair position, hands together. Weight is in the heels and the glutes. From chair, dive down, forward fold, soften the knees. Shake it out. Ooh, that's good, extra breath. Again, chair, press it back. Tippy toes if you're able. And you will be able. You will be. And reach back, lace the fingers, mudra, soften the knees. Let the arms slowly fall. Once again, chair, tippy toes as an option. 5 breaths, dig in. Let me turn a little bit. There's the sun up there. I want to face the sun usually. The good old natural light. Like the beer, which is popular in Wisconsin. All right, now, heels down. We're going to rise up, reach the arms back. Just reach them back. Excuse me, could you? There you go. You have to be polite to the ants. Arms up. Weight is in the tips of the toes. Let the arms come down, hands down, step back, plank, and then forward down. So good. So good to be flowing, isn't it? Take it back, down dog. That's the stuff. Stretch it back. Inhale, right leg, right foot forward. We have lunge. Arms up into warrior 3. I want you to take your arms back. Lift that leg up. Let's take this back and forth twice. So we're going to step the foot back. That's the toughest part right there. The negative, the return, and then up. Let's do that again. Forward. Soften that front knee. And then back. I like it. Take the arms up. Cactus arms. Open. Open the chest. Hands down. Down dog. Beautiful. Left leg. Stretch the arms. Left foot forward. We have a lunge. And then warrior 3. 2 of each. Step back. Smooth it out. Not saying mine will be perfectly smooth at all. I am practicing the flows just as you are, my friend. We are all doing it together. Determines our success is pretty much consistency, and consistency. Arms up, cactus arms. Okay, hands down, step back. Let's do a vinyasa flow, exploding forward. Slowly down. How is your hover negative control? Right here. Shoulders back, elbows in. You can feel in the pit of your stomach all of that strength growing like a big snowball. But it's hot, hot. Down, cobra. Up dog. Extra breath, extra breath. More openness in the breath. Down dog. Ooh, quick shake. That is the stuff. Inhale, right leg up. Right foot forward. We're going to do reverse warrior. Boom, so pivot this foot in. Any gators here. And then right arm up, left hand here, or left arm across. Now take the arms up. Either take the forearm to the leg and extend, or we're going to do something called half moon. Put this right hand to the floor. Right hand, right foot, and lift up. Ooh, sirens. Now step back to reverse warrior. Smooth. And once again, half moon or the side angle with the forearm on the leg. No, 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 no. All right. Back. Turn to the front. Step to down dog. Left leg. Tall. Extend, extend. Stretch the arms. Forward. And hello. Reverse warrior. Very dramatic. Reach forward and up. Move into the pose with length and expansion right away. Don't shy away from it. Don't creep forward. Open up your body. And now side angle or half moon. Have some fun with it. Let your body glide. I don't want to say that sometimes because I might just fall over, and that's not gliding unless I glide all the way across the grass. All right, step back and reverse. Get down, turn that back foot in, line up the heels. And up. And half moon. Slowing it down a little bit here, I like to vary the speeds. Vary, very, very. Put in a blender. Keep varying it up. You got golden moves here, golden poses. Let's see what we can do with them. Step back. All right, hands down, vinyasa flow. Slow. Even slower. I have filmed 1 minute push-ups before, which is 30 seconds down, 30 seconds up. 30 seconds in the context of a normal day is not much. In the context of a push-up, it's a heck of a lot. All right, all the way down. Slow up dog or cobra. Rising from the ashes. Squeeze the glutes, open the chest as the sun comes out to lick my face. Lower down. Give me a Superman. Arms forward, lift it up. 5 breaths. So much breath, so much blood flow. All right. Hands on the shoulders, up and back, down dog. There's a leaf blower. They will pull that trigger for 10 minutes straight. Jump or walk forward. Low chair again, tippy toes, but we're almost finished here. Just stay with me. I'd much rather be outside than inside. Inside to me is, outside is, unless the weather permits inside filming, of course, which you will see later in this challenge, but I have chosen a beautiful spot. All right, reach back. Soften the knees, mudra. Get your kicks, get your deep stretches right here. 5 breaths. And you can always put on your own music for the background. Slowly bring the arms down. Ooh, strong, strong, strong. Once more, our chair. Look how low we are going. Tippy toes. Sinking back. Shoulders are back. Oh, you're over there. Did we move the camera over? Okay. My crew, bunch of pranksters. They're such pranksters, they may not even exist. I know a lot of my friends who do all this online fitness stuff too. They have whole teams. With me, it's me. The trees, the leaf blowers, the dirty water. But what matters is the flow. It's the flow always. Once more, take the feet wider, mudra, soften the knees, dive, breathe. Every breath means so much, so much. Keeps pointing us forward or pulling us back. Keep the breath open and strong. Let the arms slowly fall. Okay. How about a little after dinner mint here? Right knee forward, pigeon. Pigeon stretch. I don't know if these pants can withstand it. Slide that leg back, hands out, rocking back and forth. Oh. Pigeon is the ultimate appetizer. It's the ultimate dessert. It's the ultimate chaser. So many variations. So if you see me doing a pigeon, watch carefully because I usually add something to it. It might be a small variation, it might be something big. But there's always more to be had. With our good friend the pigeon, glutes, hips, low back, circulation in those vital areas in the groin. If you have sciatic problems, low back issues, IT band issues, it will go through and massage everything. All right, pigeon, other side. Is that leaf blower? 2 more breaths. This is day 14. Comment below, you walk into a bookstore. Besides going and grabbing all my books, which you can buy everywhere, look under Sean Vigue, which section you go for right away? Always like that question. I won't answer mine because I don't want to bias anybody. All right, step it back. Child's pose. But beautiful work, my friends. Subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell to never miss a workout. This is day 14 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge. Well done, as always. I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. God bless you. And keep on flowing. I got to think of a better tagline.